Welcome to today's video on Nifty trading setup for 26th of February 2021. This is the Nifty 15 minutes chart that I have open in front of me right now, and as we can see, this is the today's trading price action. Today it gapped up and it was around 100 points at the open, but during the day it was more of a consolidation, and Nifty closed somewhere around the opening price. It closed at around 15,097, 100 points up, and that was the exact opening price. So it was mainly a consolidation day today, and when we see the top contributors today, it was mainly Reliance, which itself contributed around 56 points in today's trade, and Adani around 15 points in today's trade. And rest, mostly all the other major companies were flat or slightly in the positive zone. The biggest negative contributor today was ICICI Bank, which was down by around 1.5–2% in today's trade. Well, when you see the sectoral indices today, Nifty Metal performed well, and it was up 3.97%, mainly because of Hindustan Copper and some other heavyweights. Well, and that was the price action. That was the data for today. Speaking about the next expiry, we'll go and see the open interest of next expiry. This next expiry is going to happen on 4th of March 2021. So the data is yet to be formed fully. People have just started to take positions in the next expiry. However, we can see that the 15,200 call option has the maximum open interest, and that is followed by 15,500 call options, whereas in the put side 15,000 has the maximum open interest, followed by 14,800. So the initial range which comes into picture is 15,000 to 15,200, and once this range breaks, then only we can think of a position in the either side. And whereas when we see the increase in open interest data, we can see that the 15,000 put option and 15,000 call option both has the maximum increase in the open interest. So this is interesting for today's trade. And today the other important point to be noted is India VIX. That was down at least around 7% when I checked last. 7% it was down in today's trade. So the market is not expecting a big downside move in as of now, and that was evident by today's price action as well. It was highly in a consolidation phase. Well, let us see whether the FII and DII activity, whether it has come or not. Yes, it has come, and today FIIs have bought for 188 crores, whereas the DIIs have sold 746 crores. So this is the normal thing which is happening since so many months now. The FIIs, they have been buying, and whereas DII have sold for more than what FIIs have bought. And now this is slightly a cause of a concern that the DII's selling has in the recent few days have increased, and the FII's buying has not matched the DII's selling. So that is one of the biggest concern. Whereas the other important thing to note is 31st March. That is the date when all the DIIs would be closing their books of accounts. So all the DIIs would ideally want their holdings to be at the maximum value. So generally on 31st March, the market, except for last year, of course, the DIIs would try to take the markets on a higher level. Okay, yeah. So let us just look at the 15 minutes charts and try to analyze where the market is headed. This is the downfall which happened in the last week. Mind you, this downfall happened from Friday. It began from Friday. So we can see the date over here. We can see the date over here. It started somewhere around 18th. Yeah. So the Friday and Monday was the date where the market fell drastically, and tomorrow is Friday, so we'll have to be careful, especially after lunch. That is when the most of the selling happens, and yeah, and even even Monday. So if you're an option seller, best to sell an option after lunch when the volatility is at its high. Okay, so let's see what if you're a long trader, then definitely this is the stop for you. You can have a tight stop loss of 15,000 and you can go long. And if you're a short trader, then definitely if it breaks 15,000, you can go short and you can keep 15,000 as the stop. You can see the market has taken support over here previously few times the market has taken support over here and it has gone up from there. So this 15,000 level is a good place to keep your stop on either side. Yep, so that's all that we have to discuss for today, and thank you for watching. We'll be back again soon with another video. Thank you.